Hey guys, I'm back. I had to send my laptop in to get fixed, to get looked at, so I just got it back recently. So I wanted to show you guys what I'm packing for Disneyland, my first time going to Disneyland, California. Let me show you what So in the front pocket, I have a protein bar, a Kleenex, and some mints, and then I'm gonna put some other snacks in there. Let me show you what's in it. I have my eyeshadow palette, makeup, pillowcase, eyeshadow brush, pills, and I have a surge protector, a hair towel, a luggage belt, my liquid bag, carbon monoxide detector and batteries, drink mix, more protein bars, my toiletry bag. I did a video. If you want to see what's in there, I'll link it down below. I got headbands, masks, makeup wipe, reusable makeup wipe, and a travel diffuser for a hair dryer, a sweater, a dry bag to keep stuff dry, like for electronics and stuff, a ball cap, cords for the camera, for my phone, my battery pack, bandages and stuff, my tripod, and my phone holder. And also I have in the front my portable battery pack. If I got any of this stuff, I'll link it down below if I find the links. I'm also packing my camera that I'm using now in here too, with the tripod and the phone mount. I'm also bringing my travel neck pillow for the airplane. I'm going to show you what's in my international travel size carry-on luggage that I'm bringing with me to Disneyland. This is a double-sided packing cube. Let me show you what I'm packing. So I'm packing 5 shirts and 3 jeggings, PJs, an extra legging, and a hoodie. And then on the other side I have underwear, socks, undershirts, and then I have travel pillow, some extra bags, flip-flops, and then here I have an extra pair of sneakers and my fanny pack and water bottle. And then what I have in my fanny pack, I'll have to make a video doing that. That's how it looks with the compression on there. Let me show you it in the luggage. I also added in my little mini backpack. That's it. We're all packed up and ready to go. All packed up and ready to go. This is my airplane outfit. A black zip-up hoodie, black sweatpants, a black long sleeve tee, a regular black tee, a blue undershirt and a tan beige headband, under things, and sneakers, and then of course I'm gonna bring a black raincoat. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for new video uploads.